Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your GHL account, workspace, and permissions must be ready. Once done, prepare the offer copy, one hero image, and form fields. This speeds building. Now open funnels, click Create New Funnel, give it a clear name, and select the funnel type. You do this to ensure templates and tracking match the goal. Make sure integrations like SMTP and payment keys are accessible, because you will wire them in the next steps. You now construct the funnel flow, adding landing, opt-in, and thank you pages in order. Choose a template and replace the headline, images, and CTA so messaging stays consistent. You want conversion-focused copy. Next, insert the form and map fields to contact properties, set required fields, and validate. Then configure form actions, add tags, start an automation sequence, or fire a webhook for payments. This central step ties. You finish by publishing each page, connecting your custom domain, and enabling SSL so visitors see secure pages. Once live, run a full test. Submit the form, confirm tags apply, emails send, and payments process. If the test fails, check form logs, webhook responses, and error messages, then verify DNS records, SSL status, and API keys. One key troubleshooting tip: replay the webhook with a test payload. That isolates integration errors without affecting real leads and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.